Hey guys, it's your girl Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna show you how to make a video intro for your videos. So I'm gonna be using the Wondershare Filmora. Okay, so now that we have Filmora, this is what it looks like. We're gonna click the full feature mode. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So the first thing to do is you can you can grab like a picture for background. So I have this one, just a picture that I got from Google. But if you already have one in your folders, then you can use that one. But if you don't like that one, then there is for you these openers here. Like for example, if you like this one, then you click it and it already has for you. So we're just gonna test it out. So there you go. So I do like these, but you can just choose however you want to do it. So I like this one. So we're going to click the plus. So this is what it looks like. It's just a pink background with flowers like that. Doesn't have anything. So now we have to choose. Now, for example, if your channel is like hairstyles, let's just say that you do hairstyles. So I just picked this background because I thought it was cute. So now we gotta go with text. So we're gonna do the titles, and here you can just choose what title you like. There's so many titles here. So I like this one, so I'm gonna go click add to project. I'm gonna click down here. And here you can just do, let's just do hairstyles and updos. And then you click here your next title, and you're gonna click by, I'm gonna put my name by Kimberly, like that. So now you're gonna click here, this little area here. There we go. And here you could however you want to. So I like mine to be 56, like that. So we're going to fix it now. Let's see, where's the little, here it is. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna put mine right there. And then this one is going to be 56 as well. So like that. Or you can make it bigger, however you want to. And we're going to move it there. Now we're going to click here up where the little box is. And here you can just do the style. So you can click the white one, do it like that. Or do it a color like this one, or blue. This one. There's more down here. You can do white. So we're gonna do like, this one's nice. So I like that one. Now click down here and do the same, like that. Now we're gonna click here on the left side on the animation one, and this is where you can choose how your letters wanna like pop up. So for example, if you like, let's say I like this one. You're going to double click and ta-da, hairstyles and updos. And you're going to click here with the name, and you're just going to do another one that you like this one, like that. So now that you like how it looks, you can also change the color here, make it bigger, whatever you want to do. We're going to click OK. So now we need to choose a music to go with your style. So Filmora has already music for you. It has really, or if you have music of your own, then I have music of my own. So I'm just gonna do like Pink Lemonade and click on it, and we're gonna play it. Like that. So now you just want your intro to be at least, I have in mine until like 5 seconds, because you don't want it to be very long, because you know, if your videos are very long, then it just gets boring and people get like, they're like, why do they make the intro so long? So just keep it short. So we're going to do it again. Okay, so there you go. There's one up to. Now, if you want to add like a picture, like I have this one here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to drag it and put it down there. And from here, you can just make it smaller. You can make it like bigger if you want to, like that. Like that. And what you do is click the picture, double click the picture, and here you can just do it, you can do little motions. You can do it stretching out, or you can do it clockwise, you know, however you want to do it. So I just like mine simple, like that. So now here you can just make it, can make it big, small, however you want to do it. Move it up and down. We're gonna make it, let me see, like probably like that, and put it like, and we're gonna put it like right there, like that. And now we're gonna test it out, see how it looks like. Now it kind of covers the picture, but you can put it down here also. So we're gonna put it down here, and we're just gonna stretch it out, put it like this, and just put it like that. And now we're gonna do it, we're gonna play it again. See? How beautiful is that? That is so nice. So yeah, that's how you make awesome intros. And when you when you're finished with your intro, then what you want to do is click export and just name it, and click the MOV, and then you export it, and you can use it for your videos. Now if you're doing like a Halloween, because you know October's coming up and there's a lot of, you know, Halloween intros. Now if you want to do that, then we go to the internet. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna look for a Halloween background. We're gonna go to images, and there's, oh, look at this, it's beautiful. So now let's look for a nice beautiful Halloween background. Like for example, let's see, let's just do this one. This is kind of cool here. So you're gonna right click and you're going to save image as. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna save it, and you just click save. Okay, so it's saving. Okay, so now that we're back in Filmora, you're gonna click here, import media files, and you're gonna look for the Halloween picture. So where's my Halloween picture? Oh, it's in my images. Okay, so here's a Halloween picture. Click open, and you're gonna click the add to project. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Pretty awesome stuff. Now, for the titles here, you're just gonna pick an awesome title. Let's just do... We'll look for one that looks awesome. Okay, we're gonna do this one, the first one. And you're gonna do the text, and you're just gonna do Halloween. Click the bottom. Crafts. We're gonna make this big. You can make it much bigger. 90 will do. And now you're going to click up here, and you're just going to move this however you want to move it, like that. And then you can move this one like that. And here at the style, you can just do it any awesome color you want, like that one. That looks awesome. And this one like that. And then do the same thing, animation. Like that one. And this one. There we go. Okay. Now you need to add music, like Halloween music. So I'm gonna go to the YouTube library. That's where I get my music. So let's go to YouTube library, which is here. And we're going to look for a Halloween music. So if you can't find one, then we're just gonna do Halloween. Okay. So here we go. There's some Halloweens. So now you just click and see what music you like. Going to click download. You just have to like click what music you like. So it's downloading here. Now we're gonna go back to Filmora, and we're gonna go to music, and we're going to import the media file in your music folder. So let's look for it. Okay, here it is. This one. I'm gonna open. This is what it looks like. There we go. And then we're just going to add it. And we're just gonna see what it sounds like. Now you want to match your music with the video, because if you don't match the music with your video, then the music is going to be in the background, so you don't want that. So let's do it again. Now if you want to like add like a scary doll or something there, so you make it look scary. Let's just put like doll or something, or something scary like Freddy Krueger, or well, let's do like Michael Myers. Yeah, if you want to do like scary stuff, like for example, if you like this one, let's do that one. Let's save image as, save it, and then we're going to go back to Filmora, and we're going to go here, and we're going to import the photo that it's right here. We're going to open, I'm going to click and drag it on the bottom, and we're going to make it here. Now however you're like that. Now also you can click the video, and you can do like this one, or I mean however you want to. Do it again if you want, like that one. Let's do it small again, like that, like that. And now we're going to test it out. You see that? That's how you do a Halloween intro. You can also do Christmas, Valentine's, whatever your channel is. If it's video games or it's fashion, crafts, hairstyles, reviews, whatever it is, you can just do it here. It's so much fun, and it's just so fun to make intros. And I hope you guys enjoy this, because I love making intros. It's so much fun, especially that Halloween is coming up. I'm super excited to make intros and do Halloween stuff. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope it was informative, and if you guys like this video, go ahead and put a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.